everyone, I am Kali Sen, currently pursuing BVoc in Fashion Designing from Design Equal College. Today, I am excited to present my design journey for our college program, which is Identity 2025 in collaboration with Sentry, where we tasked to creating a 1920s inspired collection tailored for the taste and mindset of Gen Zs. The 1920s was one of the most influenced decades in the history of fashion. This era symbolized a new freedom, bold, glamorous, expressive and modern of its time. The period introduced the flapper look with drop-waist dresses, fringes, details, feathers, pearls and short bob that reflected rebellion and confidence. To begin my project, I started with brainstorming and idea generation. I mapped out key concepts from the 1920s such as flapper fashion, art deco geometry, evening glamour and vintage. After understanding the past, I researched the present. I explored what Gen Zs prefer today. Modern silhouettes, comfort-driven clothing, bold statement, crop blazers, sleek dresses and minimal impactful styling. I also looked at trending colors and silhouettes for 2025 such as structured blazer, straight fit dresses and geometric cut lines. For primary research, I visited retail stores to observe what is trending right now. I studied the fabric currently popular in the market, the color palette brands are using, and the types of silhouette Gen Z is buying. These help me identify what work commercially for my collection. After completing both primary and secondary research, I started working on rough sketches. I explored different combinations of modern and vintage elements. Photoshop, I refined these ideas and developed clean illustration. For colors, I choose an accented neutral palette with black and red are the hero's tones. These colors reflect glamorous, rich and sophistication which perfectly match my theme. Along with that, Art Deco played a huge role. Its geometric lines, metallic accents, symmetry and luxurious detailing create a very rich and sophisticated visual language. These elements become the foundation of my inspiration. I selected mid-high market as my target segment because Gen Z is the category value both style and quality. After that, I created concept board showing the main idea of my collection. Developed a mood board to communicate the feeling of the sophistication, glamour and define my theme.
And lastly, I created material board.
Once the concept and the mood board were ready, I moved towards the range planning to decide the number of outfits, styles and silhouette in the collection. Using Photoshop, I converted my sketch into final illustration. Visualize the garment digitally, which helped me to understand the fit, drape and overall look of the design before moving towards the production. For production, I created the full major draft of the selected outfit and then proceed with stitching and finishing. Completing all steps, my garment was ready. To showcase the final look, I conducted a photo shoot to capture the garment's elegance and modern appeal. I learned how to blend vintage inspiration with modern aesthetic, how to recreate historical silhouette for today's generation, and how to refine a design into a wearable commercial viable product. Thank you for watching my presentation. This project helped me understand not just the beauty of 1920s but also how to adapt it meaningful for Gen Z's fashion in today's world. Thank you Design Ecole College and Century for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.